Hey everyone! If your YouTube app isn't opening or it's stuck on a white screen, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, don't keep trying to open the YouTube app. Instead, find the YouTube app icon, then press and hold it until a small menu appears. Tap the Info I button or App Info to open the same settings page. Once you're on the App Info screen, scroll down and tap Storage or Storage and Cache, depending on your phone. Now, here's the important part. First, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files. After that, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, then confirm if your phone asks. This won't delete your Google account, but it will reset the YouTube app, which can fix problems caused by corrupted app data. After that, go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now search for YouTube. When the YouTube app appears, check if there's an Update button. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Updating the app makes sure you have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements. Once the update is complete, return to your home screen and open the YouTube app again. In most cases, the app should now open normally and the white screen issue will be gone. If you've tried everything and YouTube still isn't working, don't worry, there's one more thing you can do. Simply uninstall the YouTube app updates or reinstall the app if your device allows it. Then install the latest version again from the Google Play Store or App Store. A fresh installation can often fix any remaining issues. And that's it. After completing these steps, your YouTube app should open normally and the white screen issue should be completely fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.